friends! Today we're going to learn how to be a better reader. Good readers always ask questions before and during reading, and they look for answers to their questions as they read. By asking and answering questions, it will help you to understand and remember the story better. The story that we're looking at today is the story Apple Tree. I see apples on a tree, and it looks like it might be in a field or on a farm. Today, as we're going to look at the order in which things happen. The order in which things happen is called a sequence. Think about how a human grows. A human starts as a baby, then becomes a child, then a teenager, and finally an adult. That order is always the same. An order in a text is similar. So an order in a text, it's the things that happen one by one. So as you read today, I want you to think a little bit about the order in which things are happening. If you see a word you don't know in the story, I want you to put a question mark beside it and make sure to ask me what the word means sometime today. Let's go ahead and let's read the story. An apple grows in a cycle. How does the cycle go? Now I'm going to stop. I have a question for myself as I'm reading. How is the cycle going to work? Have you ever thought about how an apple grows? Well, let's read the book to see if we can find out. First comes the seed. Then comes the sprout. Next come the years. Then comes the tree. Next comes the blooms. Then come the apples. Let's stop there. Now I know the answer to my tree. I made a mistake. Now I know the answer to my question. I know the life cycle of an apple tree starts with a seed. Then the seeds grow in the earth. Then it takes many years for this little tiny sprout to become a tree. When the tree blossoms, the apples can grow. So now I found the answer to my big question. Let's read page number 10. Seeds wait inside each apple. Then the cycle begins again. Now let's talk about what I want for you to do now that you've finished reading the book. There are 4 sentences. Read the sentences. If it is a declarative sentence, which means it's just a statement, it's just a fact, then I want you to put a line underneath it. At the bottom, I want you to write your own declarative sentence. This could be a sentence like, my cat can run. You could say, her hair is brown. You could say, he is smiling. Okay, so you're going to write a small, short declarative sentence at the bottom. When you're finished with all of this, you can practice reading the book one more time and then do the next task that I've given you in